Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's here by Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video. This one is a true banger. We are taking a look at Somnia, guys, the Metaverse computer, and in today's video we will be I will be sort of introducing you to this project and platform, and we will be exploring it together, and then after this video I will prepare another video for you guys, which will be a longer, fully dedicated review of Somnia, in which we'll talk about multiple things, and I will also do a tutorial to avatars, which they also have, and that's a pretty cool feature that we'll also talk about in today's video, guys. So yeah, this video will be sort of an introduction and, you know, kind of exploration type of video, so I hope that you'll enjoy it, and I hope that you'll tune in till the end, because I will be making more videos on them. Especially if you guys will like this one, because at the end of the day, if you like this video, guys, then I will definitely drop more content on them. This is really something promising, and it's about the Metaverse, so I really enjoy making content on Metaverse type of, you know, projects and platforms, and you guys also really seem to enjoy them. So without further ado, one more thing, obviously, before we start, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research, and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, now really, without further ado, we can jump right into this video, guys. So first of all, let me explain what Somnia actually is, okay? So Somnia, guys, is creating a virtual society with a layer 1 blockchain and a set of omni-chain protocols designed to bring millions of users into an open and unified Metaverse, okay? Allowing users to move seamlessly across experiences. Somnia opens up endless possibilities for builders to create content that is portable and remixable content by upgrading existing NFTs, guys. And Somnia is actually developed by Virtual Society Foundation, which is an independent organization initiated by Improbable, which is a British startup that has been the forefront of building virtual worlds for over a decade, guys. And VSF has also received the initial funding from M Squared. So these are huge companies behind it, and that also speaks really good for Somnia, guys. So Somnia blockchain, you have Somnia protocol, metaverses, maps, and Metaverse browser, okay? The blockchain for the Metaverse. Computing everything in the Metaverse needs a blockchain that goes beyond finance to enable millions of people to transact and move the logic of all Metaverse items on chain. We need faster, cost-optimized chain for the Metaverse, guys. So first of all, it is highly scalable. As you can see, Metaverse experiences have tens of thousands of users all buying and selling objects. We need a chain that can support hundreds of thousands of transactions per second, and that's absolutely true. Predictable, low fees, another crucial thing when it comes to Metaverse and when it comes to the blockchains. Gas fees are confusing and can cause sudden price spikes. The Somnia blockchain has understandable low costs and can be free, which is a true revolution when it comes to the blockchains, and that's probably along the lines of what title of this video will be, because this blockchain, guys, this platform, this project is truly unique, and well, they are definitely breaking the scheme of other blockchains that are already around, guys. So the vision and potential is definitely here, okay? So, you know, they are working on the Metaverse, NFTs, Web3 gaming, blockchain communities, you know. The innovation is really crazy. It is creator-driven virtual society at its best, okay? So another key feature and benefit is that they are EVM based. The EVM ecosystem has a wide range of tools for creators to easily build economic primitives. The Somnia chain is fully EVM compatible, guys, to build on the current Web3 ecosystem. So another groundbreaking and amazing news. The Metaverse protocol that empowers creators to define every element within the Metaverse. This will enable users to move seamlessly between experiences and builders to create portable and remixable content by upgrading existing NFTs, connecting experiences, guys, remix content, incentivizing usage, extend NFTs, a lot of crazy features here. They also have this Galaxy campaign, guys, so if you want to join it and get yourself, you know, some nice rewards, then you can go ahead and do so. So as you can see, they had these two, and there was only 3,000 participants, which I would say is not that much, so there is high chance of winning, guys. Currently there is this one, OG, Somniac, and Discord role, and you have some simple tasks to essentially perform, and you can get yourself some nice little rewards. Okay, so definitely go ahead, check this out, because this Galaxy campaign is worth checking out. Simple as that. Another thing that I wanted to highlight, guys, is their social medias, because they are very active and they are actively posting on their social medias, you know, all the content necessary to understand Somnia. I will, as I said, do a tutorial video as well on the avatars. Some of you probably don't know what I'm talking about yet, but we'll get into that. So yeah, if you want to like learn and be aware, be up to date with all the new things that are coming into Somnia, then you definitely need to follow them on Twitter. Same with their Telegram, which is absolutely huge. 64,000 members, 850 people are online right now, guys, and I'm recording this video at 2 a.m. because I'm a DJ, you already know it. But yeah, basically they are very active here, the whole community is active, and if you will need any help or if you'll have any questions to the administration, then they will be more than happy to help you. And this is what I always appreciate as well, when the team is helpful, right? Because that's what it has to be. So go ahead, guys, engage in the Galaxy campaigns. They also have Twitter Spaces. Guys, and Twitter Spaces is another cool thing that I always like when it's being done, because you can, you know, integrate with the administration, and they can integrate with the community, okay, building this relationship, building the trust. And again, if you'll have like any questions, then you can learn them from Twitter Spaces, for example. So it is definitely a thing worth considering, to find some time within your day once they have the spaces. You know, maybe you'll have time to join them. If you do, join, because it's worth to stay updated with all the new things. Okay, so Somnia, guys, as a blockchain, it has huge potential, as I said, due to its crucial benefits and unique features, guys. So let's see what else they are talking about here. Connecting experiences. With the Somnia protocol, all identities, places, and objects within the network are defined in a shared data store under a set of common standards. This allows users to bring their avatars and assets things across experiences and ensures creators are not bound to a single Metaverse platform. Pretty cool. Remix content. Today, logic for the Metaverse and games are locked into centralized services. These constraints keep content locked and prevent creators from building on each other's work. Even Web3 games are just walled gardens with financial rails. With the Somnia protocol, users can truly own their content, and creators are able to build on each other's content, creating new experiences faster than before. And then we have incentivizing usage. Somnia rewards creators of content when their content is used by others, be that a small piece of logic, a digital object used in an experience, or a complex set of components that creates an experience. This is essential for incentivizing the sharing and remixing of content. Alright. Extend NFTs. Somnia opens up endless possibilities for builders to create content that is portable and remixable by upgrading existing NFTs and Web3 assets, giving them a soul in the Metaverse. And then we have those avatars that I want to bring to you. But before we do, let's also take a little look at the Lightpaper, because as I said, we will do a longer video, which will probably be very long. But you know, if I find something that is worth covering, then I will spend all the time to cover it. And if you guys also will like it, then you will definitely watch a longer video too. So that's what I really like about this channel and about all of us as a community, that we can find promising projects, promising blockchains and platforms, and then sort of explore them together, as in this video. So we have a nice little introduction here, guys, as you can see. Then you also have their mission, problem they solve, and all of that. The solution. So the solution to the problem, all of that is explained in this Lightpaper, guys, and you can access it through the website. If you go here, you have this Lightpaper section which you can view. So Lightpaper will be in the other video more detailed, but what I also wanted to sort of highlight is some of the key features and benefits that we haven't covered just yet. So For example, Somnia, guys, is designed to support metaverses with millions of users and accumulate $100 billion in isolated TVLs. Unprecedented scalability and affordability, layer 1. Unlike existing blockchains that are slow, expensive and optimized for financial applications, Somnia is designed to handle millions of transactions quickly and affordably. Even though many chains claim to be fast, guys, they can support actual millions assets that can function fast on the blockchain, which enables the development of a real economy in the metaverse, complete with the creator royalties and microtransactions. And Somnia blockchain is compatible with EVM and can also accommodate the vast EVM system. Then, guys, Omnichain protocol for metaverse, building a creator economy. Somnia really does prioritize creators, okay, enabling a decentralized economic structure where accrued value benefits the actual innovators, incentivizing the development of the new use cases and opening the door for community-driven governance. Composability, guys, users can now recompose content and build on the creations of others. For example, metaverse events could use components from previous events, like concert stages, light shows, firework displays and more, making it easier and more affordable to produce events, guys. And the original creators of the components that are used can earn royalties from microtransactions, so everyone involved gets benefits. Then you have remixing the contents, you have the upgradable NFTs, so Somnia can upgrade existing 2D NFTs, giving them a soul in the metaverse as 3D objects, and is currently offering free upgrades to established NFT projects. So now NFT collectors can explore the metaverse as their favorite profile picture NFT, guys. So can you imagine that? It's pretty cool. And builders can create metaverse themes based on existing collections, so you can imagine pudgy penguins and cool cats running around in the unified metaverse, you know, or building worlds with themes centered around these collections. There is a lot of, like, you can be Bored Ape if you own one, right? I'm not that rich to own one yet, but one day, guys, I will get it one day. Then they also have the interoperable ecosystem. Many things that they are very unique in. They have apps for the metaverse. Somnia is creating a global data and compute layer for the metaverse. This enables developers to extend and build new applications for the metaverse. From an experience to a marketplace to an avatar builder, there is a whole new space of applications needed. So you can join their betanet, and in the betanet you can check out more of the features that we will also cover in the other video. But you can mint an avatar. As you can see your own avatars, you can attend events with your avatar, and then up and coming they have creating objects. So this is the thing that I just talked about, where you can bring your existing NFTs to Somnia, so you can be, for example, a Bored Ape in the metaverse, and creating your own space, guys. Testnet, upgraded Somnia protocol, metaverse browser, step into metaverses and earn XP, marketplace incentivized by trading metaverse content. So yes, we'll talk about this in the later video. You need to connect your wallet and then you can start working on your own avatar, guys. Okay, if you go to whole avatar section here, you have your mint, you have faucet as well, and you can view the video how it is done and how the whole process looks like, which is very cool, guys, because actually look how detailed those avatars are and how customizable they are. Okay, you can customize them in many different ways. You can give them different traits, you know, different clothes and stuff, and then you can mint them. It is fully explained right here, very easy process, but I will make sure to give you guys a quick little tutorial in the up and coming video. So some more key points that I wanted to quickly bring to you is that Somnia is really ready for the mass adoption with the capacity to captivate $100 billion in TVL, guys, which no other blockchains really do, I would say. They really do have a lot of support from notable partners like Improbable, guys, and M Squared. So they had a lot of previous successes and they will drive initial users to Somnia. And Improbable itself in 2022 has raised $150 million to establish M Squared, a metaverse network and ecosystem powered by its Morpheus technology. So we have real big players in this crypto world that are also behind Somnia, guys. Okay, M Squared has also powered events including an official virtual ballpark with the Major League Baseball organization in the US and concerts with K-pop musicians, once, such as twice. So these high profile events will drive also initial users to Somnia, guys. So Somnia really is a new economic paradigm that democratize virtual world governance and development. So the beta.net phase, guys, it is really coming soon, and people will be able to mint those avatars. As I said, I will do the video on it. Man, like, it's something new. I'm very happy that I can bring this to the channel. I'm really happy that I found it. So it's really cool. Speaking of all of these partners and the ecosystem, you can also see them here. So we have Improbable, we have MML, and we also have Virtual Society. So those that I showed you at the beginning of the video, guys. And as I said, if you want to be updated with all the new things and everything that is happening within Somnia, guys, all the events and stuff, then you can obviously view them on the website as well as join all of their social medias. I will make sure to link everything down below in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and also explore it yourself. Let me know what you guys think, and if we hit 2000 likes under this video, which will be pretty easy for you, I already know it, and then we will make another video on Somnia. It would be actually also pretty cool to maybe get a hold of someone from the team to host an interview, but I don't know about that. We will see how it goes, guys. But yeah, everything will be linked down below in the description of this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and wait for the next video, guys, because they are coming out soon.